Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on discrete mathematical structures. In my previous two lecture videos, we discussed about how to frame the Rook polynomials for the given boards in the general form and also by using expansion formula. In this lecture video, we will be discussing how to frame the Rook polynomials by using product formula. So the product formula states that the board C is made up of two parts, say C1 and C2, where the C1 and C2 have no squares in the same row or same column. So such parts of C are called disjoint subboards of C. Then the Rook polynomial of Rc, x for the board C has the following property. It is given by Rc, x is equal to Rc1 of x into Rc2, x is known as product formula for the Rook Rc, x. In general, if the board C is made up of some n number of boards, say C1, C2, C3, etc., Cn, then Rc, x is given by Rc1, x into Rc2, x into Rc3, x into and so on, or Cn, x. This formula will be using to find the Rook for n subboards. Problem: find the Rook polynomial for the board shown below. So that they have given some 5x5 board, and now I am going to divide this 5x5 board as two parts. The first board I will be taking as C1 board for 2x2 as 2x2, and the board number 2 I will be taking like a 3x3 board. Okay, the first thing is I will be assuming this complete board as board number C, board C, and this board C I am going to divide into two parts. One is C1 board, that is 2x2, and one more is C2 board, that is 3x3. So now we note that the given board C is made up of two disjoint subboards, that is C1 and C2, where C1 is 2x2 board with the squares number from 1 to 4, and C2 is a board 3x3 board with squares number from 5 to 11. So now since C1 is a 2x2 board, the board is numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So since it contains 4 empty squares, the value of R1 for the C1 board is given by 4. So now to find R2, I must find two non-capturing rooks, right? So I'll be getting 1, 4 is one rook, 2, 3 is one more rook. So I'll be having two non-capturing rooks are in 2 in numbers. So I'll be having the value of R2 will be equal to 2. Since it is 2x2 board, we are unable to find the 3 mutually non-capturing roots. So therefore the value from R3 to Rn, it will be equal to 0. So now I will be incorporating this value in the equation. I will be getting R of C1, x is equal to 1 plus 4x plus 2x square. This is for C1 board alone, we got it. Similarly, we have to find the same thing for C2 board also. The board C2 is a 3x3 board. It is numbered from 5 to 11. So since it contains and 7 empty squares, the value of R1 will be equal to 7 here. Now I want to make two non-capturing roots. I will be getting 2, 8, 2, 11, 2, 9, 6, 7, 6, 9, 6, 10, 7, 9, 7, 11, 8, 9, 8, 10. And making 3 non-capturing roots. I will be getting 5, 8, 9, 6, 7, 9 and 5, 8, 9 already over, right? Yeah. Again I can make that's all I guess. So now I will be having this board having two non-capturing roots as I told, like 5, 8, 5, 9, 5, 11, 6, 7, 6, 9, 6, 10, 7, 9, 7, 11, 8, 9, 8, 10. So they are in 10 in numbers. The value of R2 will be equal to 10. And the 3 non-capturing roots are only 2, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7, 11. So the value of R3 will be equal to 2 here. And since it is 3x3, the value from R4 to Rn, it will be always 0 only. So now I will be making the Rook polynomial for the board C2. It will be equal to Rc2 of x is equal to 1 plus 7x plus 10x square plus 2x cube. So now I am going to combine this to make a Rook polynomial for Rc, x by using product formula. It is given by Rc, x is equal to Rc1, x into Rc2, x, 1 plus 4x plus 2x square into 1 plus 7x plus 10x square plus 2x cube. I will be multiplying each of this equation with each of this term. On simplifying this, we will be getting 1 plus 11x plus 40x square plus 56x cube plus 20x power 4 plus 4x power 5 is the required root polynomial for the given 5 cross 5 C board by using the product formula. One more example, this board is a 4 cross 5 board. Find the root polynomial for the board shown below. For the shaded part alone, right? Yeah. So now I'll be dividing this board into two equal subboard. That is the board C1 is made up of 2 cross 2 and the board C2 is made up of 2 cross 3. Okay, now we note that the given board C is made up of two distant subboards C1 and C2, where C1 is 2 cross 2 board with squares numbered from 1 to 4 and C2 is a 2 cross 3 board with the numbered squares from 5 to 10. So now since C1 is a 2 cross 2 board, we have the board like this. And it contains only 3 empty squares, so the value of R1 will be equal to 3 here, and making the non-capturing rooks, 2 non-capturing rooks, only 1, 3 will be getting the value of R1 is equal to, R2 is equal to 1, and since it is 2 cross 2, we cannot make 3 non-capturing rooks, the values from R2 onwards, it will be always 0. So now for this board, I will be making the rook. So from the board C1 we got it, R1 is equal to 3, R2 is equal to 1, R3 onwards it will be equal to 0. Therefore, R of C1 comma x is equal to 1 plus 3x plus x square. So now the board C2 is a 2 cross 3 board. So it contains the 4 empty squares, right? 4 empty squares. So I will be having the value of R1 will be equal to 4 here. So now I want to make 2 non-capturing roots. I will be getting 4 comma 6 is 1 root, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 7. So therefore I will be having the value of R2 will be equal to 3. And here we have to observe that since it is 2 cross 3, we cannot find the 3 non-capturing roots. So therefore it means that the value of R3 will be equal to 0 here. So since the board C1 now consists of R1 is equal to, I got it 4. In this board, the 2 non-capturing roots are 4, 6, 4, 7, 5, 7. It will be equal to 3. And we are unable to find 3 non-capturing roots only. So therefore the value from R3 to Rn it will be equal to 0. So the root polynomial for C2 board is RC2 of x is equal to 1 plus 4x plus 3x square. So now I will be finding the root polynomial for the board given board C by using product formula. It is given by RC comma x is equal to RC1 comma x into RC2 comma x. It is given by 1 plus 3x plus x square, 1 plus 4x plus 3x square. By multiplying each term with each term here, I will be getting 1 plus 7x plus 16x square plus 13x cube plus 3x power 4 is the required root polynomial for the given 4 cross 5 board by using product formula. Okay, thank you.